Now I want to show you some different types of backings that we use here at Sweet Pea. The first one is your border backing and binding. For this one, you can do your binding from the back or the front, and that shows you that you can see a top stitch. So this is done from the back first and then folded over to the front. So this has a top edge stitch, and this is done from the front first, done to the back. And that means that it's stitched in the ditch, so you can't see any stitching on the front of the product. Another method is a split backing. So this is using two pieces of fabrics stitched together, leaving a gap in the middle and then turning it out that way. And that just means you can turn out your project. You don't need to add a binding or a border or anything like that. And this is our third type, which is a backing binding, which I love using. So this is just a smaller sample, and that shows you that we've used a big piece of fabric. We've left 1.5 inches on each side, we've stitched in the ditch, and then we've cut it back to 1.25 inches, and that gives us a perfect binding, clean look. And that's our small sample, and I just want to show you our larger sample and how that looks. And our final technique is our envelope backing. So that's where we've got an overlap of our fabrics. We usually use this on our cushions, and we put some little cam snaps there so everything's a clean finish. And that's all of our techniques of backing.